Phew! Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic. Huh?
Hola! I'm new in town. Cat is the name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh, do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena! Someone needs rescuing! It won't hook!
Oh! Hang on, Tilly! Keep it steady, Blue! I can't reach!
Gecko, use the umbrella!
Aha!
Oh.
Phew! That was close! Ah, there you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat.